Good morning. Truth Seeker 333 here. I have a question for YouTube, and it has to do with color blindness and the INTJ personality type. I'm interested in, number one, if you are an INTJ, are you also colorblind? I'm trying to see if there's a disproportionate amount of individuals that fall into that category, because I think I see a pattern. I myself am colorblind in the first and secondary colors I can see. You know, I can see red, I can see yellow, I can see, blue. And I can see secondary colors, orange, green, brown. I can see basic colors, and I can sometimes discern other colors if somebody tells me what those colors are. But otherwise, if I don't have somebody guiding me into what color is which, I might just see them of two different shades of the same color, like a darker gray versus a lighter gray, when we're dealing with like two different kinds of turquoise or pink or something of that nature, or like a darker blue versus a lighter blue versus some kind of violet or chartreuse or something of that nature. So what I'm saying is this: I'm interested in knowing if you are an INTJ but you are not colorblind. Please comment in this video section below. I want to know if you are, okay. And also, on the opposite side of the spectrum, if you are an ENFP and you're colorblind, I want to know. I want you to comment in this video right here, because I see it as maybe color somehow having to do with personality type and the way we perceive the world sometimes. So let me know your thoughts about that. And again, I'm very interested in hearing from you if you are an INTJ and you are not colorblind. If you are an ENFP and you are colorblind, tell me about it. And if you are an INTJ and you are colorblind, tell me about that too. So anyway, this is like a random thought, quick survey. God bless everyone. Keep seeking truth.